Okay, for my next example, I'm going to look at 2x plus y squared. We're going to do to the third power. So let me add in my powers. Squared all to the power of 3. Okay? So we have 2x plus y squared all cubed. So the first thing we gotta do is look at the line we're going to be using. The third line, 1, 3, 3, 1. Remember, it's not actually the third line. It's named for the second number in the line. So this is line 3. 1, 3, 3, 1. So the first thing I'm going to come over here and do is put 1, 3, 3, 1. I'm going to put a bit more space just to be safe. Okay. Now, I always start with my first one, 2x, and I put it to the power here. So 2x cubed. Then I go to the next one. Again, I do 2x, but this time I'm going to go down 1. So it's going to be 2x to the power of 2. Then I go to the next one, same thing, 2x to the power of, in this case, just 1. And the last one's just nothing, 2x to the 0. Then I start on the other side. So I'm actually going to have, don't let this confuse you, y to the power of 2, because that's the term. We do the second term. The second term is y to the power of 2. Then we put it to whatever power is here, so 3. Just like we did 2x, this first term to the power of 3 on this side, we start with the second term, y squared to the power of 3 on this side. Then we come here and we do y squared, and we're going to go down 1. So instead of being y squared to the power of 3, it's going to be y squared squared. Then we come here, and again we go down 1, so we're going to have y squared to the power, the first power actually. It's the power of 1, and this would be y squared to the 0, so we don't have to write it at all. Now we just simplify. 2x cubed. 2 cubed is 8. X cubed is just that. X cubed. Then here it can get a bit tricky. So be careful, make sure you're paying attention. 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12. So 2 squared is 4, times 3 is 12. So we get plus 12. Then we have x squared, and we have y squared. Then on the next one, we have 2x times 3 times y squared squared. First of all, 2x times 3 is 6x, and then y squared squared. When you raise a power to a power, you multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4. So we get y to the power of 4. Then we have our last term, plus 1 times anything is the other thing. So y squared cubed, you multiply again. 2 times 3 is 6, so we get plus y to the power of 6.